Hello friends. So in this video of market analysis, we will be discussing about what is my analysis for the market in the next week, and also we will be discussing some stocks that are looking good for short to medium term buy side. So let's start with the market analysis now. So I have opened Nifty chart, and also we will be studying about Bank Nifty. But I have shared this chart already on Twitter and Telegram. You can join us there if you want an update a little earlier. But let's so in this again, as you can see, this was the resistance for Nifty, which is around 15,915, and this was the support for Nifty, which is 15,630. So what had happened was market was trading in this particular range for around 1 month, and on Thursday the market Nifty had given a breakout about this resistance level, and on Friday, as you can see here, it had retested those level again, and it got a support near this resistance level itself. So it is a breakout and retest case, and currently it is very close to the resistance line, and this resistance line will be acting as a support from now onwards for future. And this is probably a double bottom breakout, as you can see. And based on this breakout, if you want to calculate a target for Nifty in upcoming days, then I will just calculate it right now. So as you can see here, the target for Nifty is around 16,200 based on this breakout, which is 300 points higher from current price. So the target on the basis of this breakout is 16,200 and stop loss is 15,630. It is more or less 1:1 risk reward trade for Nifty, and probably a trader can look out for some stocks that are trading near support or that are given a breakout or are doing retest, so they can buy those particular stock for short term. And apart from this, if a trader wants to trade in Nifty, then there are only two possible ways. He can trade, a trader can trade in derivatives, future or option, or a trader can trade use through Nifty Bs. So these are the two options a trader can use. In derivatives, there is basically the leverage that trader get, but in Nifty Bs there is no leverage. It is 1x. So whatever margins, so trader will require more margin to buy Nifty Bs. But in case of derivatives, a trader can get leverage in that case for short term. So I would suggest not to use derivatives and not to go with the leverage and all at this point. Trade in Nifty Bs or go stock specific if you are finding any stock at support or are giving resistance or making a retest above this resistance level. So look out for some stocks that are very strong right now. And now we will look at Nifty Bank chart or a Bank Nifty chart. So in Bank Nifty also, this was the supply zone for Bank Nifty, as you can see here. And apart from this, when the Bank Nifty was trading below the supply zone, the Bank Nifty had formed lower lows in higher lows in this case. So you can see in this case. So these are the three lower higher lows in Bank Nifty before this breakout. Uh, the Bank Nifty had given a breakout already, and again it is the same case as the retest case. So the Bank Nifty had given a breakout, and now it is again trading near the supply zone itself. This will be the demand zone for Bank Nifty in upcoming days now. And based on this breakout, if we check the target, then target is around 37,750 for Bank Nifty in short term. So this is probably, if I consider from current price, then the target is around 5.5 percentage on the basis of the target and the current price. And the stop loss for Bank Nifty, if anyone is trading derivatives or probably using Bank B's ETF, then the trader can keep a stop loss at around 34,800 in this case. So this level will be the stop loss for Bank Nifty, and target is 37,750. So either a trader can look out for some banking stocks, or the trader can trade using derivatives or Bank B's. So this is about the index. So let's start with the stock analysis now. So the first stock is Cybertech System. I have opened the daily chart for Cybertech. So as you can see here, so this lower blue line was the resistance line, trend line, and here it had given a breakout and after this breakout, it had retested near this level, and again it rallied. So basically, this resistance level line had acted as support for Cybertech, and again, this upper blue line is the all-time high level, not all 52-week high level for Cybertech, and it had given a breakout above this level on Thursday. Currently, it is trading near this breakout level, breakout that are around 182, and current price is 195. So a trader can plan out the trade in this, like buying can be done at around 196, and on dips as well. The stop loss will be 158, which is this level, and target is calculated on the basis of the range calculation. I will just show it again. So this was the high that, and this was the low when the Cybertech had given before. And I will just add this about the breakout level. So the target would be around 253, 251. So this is the target for Cybertech in short term. So a trader can look to buy at this at around 196, and on dips, stop loss will be 158 and target will be 253 in this particular case. So the second stock is Tata Steel. I have shared about Tata Steel earlier on Twitter when it was trading at around 1100, and now it is around 1246, 1278. So at that time, the Tata Steel had got support on the basis of 23 on the basis of Fibonacci retracement. So I will just plot the Fibonacci right now. So as you can see here, I have plotted the Fibonacci right now, and as you can see, this was the uptrend for Tata Steel from 580 to around 1262, and based on this retracement, the support the Tata Steel would get was around 23.6%. So here it gave a breakdown. Again, it went up. Here again, it didn't give a breakdown, but the next candle was above this particular support line. So basically, the Tata Steel was getting support near this 23.6% level, and we have updated about this on Twitter itself about the metal sector and Tata Steel in this case. So this was the particular bottom that we have got in steel sector, and right now the trading plan for Tata Steel is this is the rounded bottom pattern, and this was the all-time high level, which is the resistance for Tata Steel. Currently, the Tata Steel has one breakout already, as you can see here, and it had given a close above the resistance line also. And now the trading plan will be buying can be done at near 1278 at current price. The target will be, so the target in this would be around 1450, as you can see here. 1450 is the target for Tata Steel, and stop loss will be 1180. So here is the plan. So buying can be done at around current price 1278. Stop loss will be 1181, and target will be 1450 for Tata Steel in short term. Also, there is a result for Tata Steel in upcoming in next few weeks, so one can track that as well. And this can be a possible trade based on the all-time high breakout for Tata Steel. So the last stock for today is HDFC AMC. So I have already plotted the chart. It is a daily chart in this. So this was the resistance line for HDFC AMC, or possibly the resistance zone, and it had given a breakout above this resistance line. And again, the candle was not that strong, but it had closed above this first resistance line. And also the volumes was very high, so possibly the sellers have took dominance in this particular stock on Friday. But also, if we see, it had formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern in this particular stock, which is a reversal pattern. For stock is in downtrend, so a trading plan in this will be buying can be done at around 30 94 and on dips. So basically, the buyers had took dominance on this particular candle. So a trader either can buy at current price or can wait for some dips, and or can just add on more on dips instead of buying at one go. The stop loss will be 2860 in this particular case, which is around this level. So 2860 can be the stop loss for HDFC AMC, and target will be 3775, which is calculated from the range calculation here. So the HDFC AMC is also short-term trade, which a trader can look for at a short-term purpose. And the plan is again, buying can be done on dips and at current price. Stop loss will be 28.60 and target is 37.75. And if we calculate the target percentage, the gain percentage, then it is around 21-22 percentage profit in short term if we achieve the target. And if we check the risk also, then the risk is around 6%. So we have good risk reward in this particular trade for short term. So this is all about for today's market, for next week market analysis video. You can follow us on Twitter and Telegram for market related updates. There is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.